Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this TCL 30 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, open up the settings. Here at the settings menu, look for the apps category. At the apps category, go for the default apps section, and here go for the browser app. Basically all that it's left to do is to select Opera, and that will mean that from now on the default browser for your device is Opera. That is also the second way. Let's go ahead and execute it as well. In order to set the Opera as your default browser, you can just open up the Opera app itself. At the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon of yours. Here go to the settings by tapping on this gear icon and scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser category. Tap on it. Next, select Opera, set as default. And that was pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.